It is important that you have a basic understanding of the equipment in your laundry. This is a top loader. Another name for it is a single loader. It holds approximately 12 pounds of wash, or one load. This is a coin drop, also known as a coin slide. The money to start the machine is placed in the holder, then the holder is pushed in and then pulled out. These must be cleaned regularly, as soap residue will prevent the machine from accepting quarters. This is a coin box where the money is kept. Instead of coins, some laundries use a debit card system. A card system allows customers to add money to a card and use it throughout the laundry. This is a card reader. This is the LED readout. It shows the dollar amount that is charged for the wash as well as the cycle time. These are your fabric settings: normal, permanent press, and delicate. Temperature selections for water are hot, warm, and cold. This is an agitator. It moves water and soap through the clothes during the wash. Putting more clothes into the machine than it's designed to handle will not allow water and soap to freely move throughout the clothing, giving the customer an improper wash. In addition, heavy loads will cause the machine to vibrate and damage the washer. If you see a customer overloading the machine, take the opportunity to educate them about the benefits of a front loader. This is a front load washer. This type of machine comes in many sizes, from a small 18-pound machine that carries approximately 1.5 loads of wash to a 50 or a 75-pound machine that can hold up to 5 or 6 loads. There are two main advantages of using a front load over a top load. The first is that clothes receive a better wash due to the more aggressive water movement and agitation. The second advantage, a front load spins more water out of the clothes, which reduces the drying time, saving customers time and money. These doors have a safety feature built into them, so once they are closed, they are locked during the entire cycle. Money cannot be inserted into the machine unless the door is closed. This is the bulkhead. The bulkhead holds the washing machine power sources for water, electrical, and drains. Oftentimes, key shutoffs, usually water, are located here. This is the electrical panel. Each piece of equipment has a breaker that you can shut off in case of an emergency. Simply open this door and turn off the breaker. This is the water shutoff. If you had a leak or a break in the hose, you would simply turn this valve and shut off the water. All dryers operate the same way. Hot air is circulated into the drum and clothes tumble around to dry. Depending on the size of the load and the type of clothing, the drying time for most loads of wash is anywhere between 20 and 40 minutes. If you have small lingerie items or shirts, they will dry a lot faster than jeans, towels, or a bedspread. This is the computer board. Most customers want the hottest temperature setting, but the hottest setting is not always the best. Your customers should check the care label sewn inside the garment to ensure that they do not damage the fabric with heat settings that are too hot. Ask your supervisor about the manufacturer's settings for the equipment in your laundry. Dryers collect lint in a box. It is very important that you keep this lint area clean and free from all debris. This will help the dryer work more efficiently and save on gas. Built-up lint is also a fire hazard, so it is extremely important that this area of the dryer is cleaned at least once a day. Talk to your manager about your laundry's cleaning schedule. These machines are the lifeblood of your laundry. If your laundry has a coin changer, it will make change for paper currency. If the laundry is card operated, it will either vend a card with the amount of money credited to the card or recredit an existing card. This structure is similar to that of many mass transit systems. The machines are electronically set and are very sensitive. Old, wet, and faded bills may not always work. Keep children away from the machines. Notify your supervisor immediately if the machine is not working. Not all customers want $20 worth of quarters or $20 added to their laundry cards. That's why your laundry may have a bill-to-bill changer. When a larger bill is fed into the machine, it will dispense paper money. For example, a $20 bill placed into this machine gives 4 $5 bills. Debit cards work the same as cash. If your laundry is equipped with these cards, customers will pay for washers and dryers by sliding this card down the reader.